Is this what you were looking for?
Hey, it sure is. Thank you.
Well, what Carolyn is now unpacking is her new Nelson Rigg Hurricane Dual Sport Tail Bag, or what I like to call the Essential Bag, because it carries my snack. Now, I just carry the non-essentials for our travels and adventures. But you have to bring those along as well. But you know, this is the thing I think that's going to be more important. So what we did is we reached out to Nelson Rigg quite some time ago, and they have been very supportive of what we do, and their products really do give us a big advantage. I am able to carry all those non-essentials in the Hurricane saddlebags, and we have a couple of the other accessory bags that everything integrates well with Nelson Rigg. They have a lattice work that allows everything to kind of bind. But yeah, let's get to this one right here, Carolyn, because this is where my snacks are coming. So if you don't mind, yeah, I'm going to ask you a couple of questions about where you want this located, and then we'll show everybody at home just how easy it is to mount and take off these new Nelson Rigg bags. We have 4-point mounting system, and BMW had Nelson Rigg in mind, or Nelson Rigg had BMWs in mind when they incorporated just the 4-point mounting system. So basically all we have to do is line this up. It's going to go perfectly right there, and then we'll mount it 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll get right to it. So here we go. It is so simple and so easy. That's it. Now, my snack bag, it ain't going nowhere.